Hi guys, I'm Paul Tebow III, founder and CEO of the nonprofit Tebow Method. We're in East Palo Alto today for Jeffren's Social Good Project. We have some players and coaches from Stanford, San Jose State, Cañada College, the Rikers Center, and East Palo Alto United out here teaching kids how to play soccer. Come see what we got going on.
Hello, my name is Jeffren. I'm a student at Thiebaut Method, and I'm doing a social good project about soccer that I did today to show little kids in my community how to play soccer. And I did this because that's my passion and I like it, and I wish everybody else liked it too.